In this video, we are going to go over how to export agents and supervisors assigned to teams as a system admin. The first step is to select the Manage Teams option in the menu bar. You will find a table with all the teams and their current status. Click on the team that you want to export the agents and/or supervisors from. On the upper right-hand side of the table, you will find the export option for the agents. Gravity CX will automatically download a CSV document of the table of the agents for that team. Here is an example of the document that will be downloaded. For supervisors, you must go to the Assign Supervisors tab. On the upper right-hand side of the table, you will find the export option for the supervisors. Gravity CX will also download a CSV document of the table of supervisors, and here is an example of that document.